In this video, I'm going to be letting you know how much does Duolingo Plus cost. So if I just open up the Duolingo app right now, the language learning app. So if I just go to the home page, this is the page you'll be on if you're learning a current language. So if I just tap on this little heart icon at the top right hand corner, that's going to open up a page where you can see you can get an unlimited free trial of Duolingo Plus. Now it isn't actually unlimited. Like if, for example, I tap on that and you can see you can try Duolingo Plus for 2 weeks for free. So you can get a 14-day free trial. But if I scroll through here, you can see it doesn't tell you how much the Duolingo Plus is going to cost. So to do that, I'm going to go out of the app and I'm going to open up a web browser and I'm going to go to the duolingo.com/plus, and you can see here the plus plan is going to cost $6.99 per month with the 14 days free trial. So once the free trial is up, you're going to get charged $6.99 per month. So that is how much Duolingo Plus costs. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.